Hi, my name is Timo Bernhard, a long-time professional race car driver. Owner of KÜS Team 75 Bernhard. We're very proud to have a long-term partnership with Pagid Racing.
Hello, my name is David Jahn, driver for KÜS Team 75 Bernhard, and today you join me in the Porsche 911 GT3R in Oschersleben, where I talk you through a lap and we talk about the brakes of this car. Let's go. So we are coming down towards turn 1 here in Oschersleben, a very fast left-hander. It's a short and hard braking. Then we trail into the corner. And after that for turn 2 we have to brake really hard to slow the car down. Very good deceleration here. The car rotates nicely on the brakes. And then we have a good exit, good run out of the corner. It's a short straight coming up. And it's a very hard braking point for turn 3. We brake deep into the corner. I have a good brake balance here. The car decelerates very well with the Pagid Racing brakes. And we go towards a very fast triple left-hand corner. I'm adjusting the brake bias a bit here. We dive into the corner, a little bit of braking. We need a very good brake balance here. And then it's again a hard braking over the curb, ABS kicking in, but very good slowing down of the car. It's a very long corner here. Get a good run out of the corner. Then we go into a super fast chicane. We have to take some curb here, car is out of balance. We have to drive nice and easy. And then we go on to the long back straight up to 5th gear, up to 240 kph. I'm adjusting the brake balance again to get the perfect bite here with the brakes. Very good deceleration again. Car going over the curbs nicely. And I have a good run out of the fast chicane, adjusting brake balance once again. We go in the second last corner. We have to carry a lot of speed, little correction here on the steering. And one more time, very hard braking to slow the car down properly, get it around the apex. And then we accelerate out onto the main straight, and this was one lap in Oschersleben.
The brake pad material is essential for me to give a driver a good feeling, a good feedback, like the pedal controllability is very important. So I think with Pagid Racing we have the right brand on our side.